Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to extend RAM on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on device care. From here, just tap on memory. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of RAM Plus. Just tap on it. First of all, just make sure that this toggle is turned on. After that, you will be able to select how much RAM you want to increase on your Samsung phone. Now, as you can see, we have the option of 2 gigabytes and we also have the option of 4 gigabytes. For an example, I will select 2 gigabytes, then tap on restart. Now from here, just open your smartphone, then go to settings. Now just tap on device care. From here, just tap on memory. Now, if I tap on RAM Plus, as you can see, we have successfully increased the RAM on our smartphone by 2 gigabytes. And this is how you can extend the RAM on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.